Hi, I'm going to give you some information about assignments 6, 7, and 8 that you can start working on now, or you don't have to start working on them until Friday. These two assignments are going to focus on time and space, so really setting. And we're doing 2 works per area of exploration. So we did the road and at the Justice Department for the first one for readers, writers, and texts. And so for this one, we're doing the Moonstone and my father's garden. So for the Moonstone, you are going to read this excerpt. It's from a novel called The Moonstone, and this is something that IB used to use to test on, and they don't anymore. It's a released item, and they used to do it to test about setting. So we thought this was perfect. It's typed exactly as it is from the released item. So yes, there are red lines, but we can't change it. This is how it was, so that's how it is. So we're really focused on setting. First, we're focused on physical setting, where it literally takes place. And then there is a social and an economic setting. And there are some questions about that as well. And then how a physical setting can affect a character. And so there's a connection there. So that is assignment number 6 is the Moonstone. And then my father's garden is the other one we're going to focus on for time and space. It is a poem. And again, focused on setting. I want you to annotate for literary elements. Already that's kind of getting to be secondhand, right? We continuously do that. Annotate for setting. There are 2 settings in this, so use 2 different colors and make sure you include a key so I know which setting is which. What differences do you notice between them, and what effect does each place have on the poet's dad? Which theme do you most agree with based on the setting? And here are your 4 choices. And then explain why you chose that theme. And so that's what you're doing for the poem. Then you are going to create a drawing for one or the other. And it doesn't need to be great, right? I mean, I'm not an artist by any means, but I feel like after reading both of them, I could still come up with a visual that represents them, and you're going to add it to this discussion board. Create a drawing based on Moonstone or my father's garden, and you'll just, if you take a picture of let's see if I can move this. Okay. Create a drawing based on Moonstone or my father's garden. In the bottom left corner of the comment box, click the file folder. Then insert your picture from Google Drive. If you used your phone to take a picture, you may have to email it to yourself and then save the picture in your Google Drive. I'm not grading you on your artistic ability. That would make me a hypocrite. What's your vision? That's all I want to know is what's your vision. These are due Monday, the 21st by 11:59. So assigned on Friday, but you have until Monday by 11:59 to get those done. So a new assignment won't be happening until Tuesday. So as always, email or text via Remind if you have any questions. Take care.